Hey dolls, I'm LaLa and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I give you a new video. Today, as you can see from the title, is going to be another sneaker haul. I'm really excited to finally be doing this. I've wanted to do it for at least like the last 2 months. Like as soon as summer started, I was like, I need to do a summer version. And summer's not over quite yet, so I was like, oh, let me squeeze it in here. So no long talking, no dilly-dallying, let's get right into the video. So the first pair I have is another pair of Air Max Dias. So if you've seen my previous sneaker haul, then you'd know that I was already gifted a pair from Nike London. Shout out to them for hooking a girl up. So when I saw this colorway, I had to get it. It's a bit of me, like it really is cute and just giving so many Barbalicious vibes. Like, are you dumb? Like, these are so pretty. Like, why are they so pretty? The pink, the shade of pink is what got me. Like, and then with that lilac pastel combo, yeah, stop it. Stop it. When I saw this on the Nike website, I was gagging. I think I screamed. I actually think I screamed. But this style was so comfortable, so I was like, yeah, I definitely need to get another pair. Plus they're fairly affordable. They're about £95 or something like that. But I'll have all sizes, information of prices and all that listed below. I just love everything about this shoe. I love the colours on the sole. I love the colorway at the back of the heel. Just everything is consistent, and I love that they just only use 2 colors and then the standard white on the side of the sole, because it just didn't need anything else. Like, this is perfect as is. Like, I love this. We have another Nike pair. You guys know that's my favorite brand of sneakers because they always bring it. Colorways, comforts, everything. I love Nike. They're my fave. But I do have another brand here as well, so make sure you watch to the end and see the collab that I picked up with Adidas. Anywho, I had to get another pair of Zooms because I was waiting for them to bring out a colorway that had pink in it, and I saw the sunset colorway, you know, that the yellowy orangey vibe that had a bit of like hot pink, but I wasn't 100% feeling it. And today, when I went to Nighttown, I saw this colorway for the first time, and I was like, yo, baby, let me try these. Like, I can't remember the last time I ever bought a pair of black sneakers, like, or have I ever? Yeah, no, I think I have once when I was about like 17, and they weren't even real. I got them from like Vauxhall Market. If you know, you know. Anywho, I love these because the colorway is really cool and it's different. It's nothing that I've seen before. So I was like, yeah, let me get these because these are kind of cute still. I love that the colorway ombre pink and white continues on the heel, on the sole. And again, like, Zooms are really comfortable and they're really affordable. They're only £80. So I mean, I already know what I'm getting, so I was hyped to see this style. Like, this design is so cute, and I feel like they've really stepped it up a notch by bringing out so many nice colours, and I'm just happy to see that they finally given some pink because the other one wasn't pink enough. But I really hope they get a white version of this because I think that would look even more sick, like sickening. But she cute or whatever. This pair is so heavy. Oh, I forgot how heavy Air Forces are. So next up, as I just said, we have a pair of Air Force Ones. And I love the box, by the way. I didn't realise the box was different until now. Like, I love the silver, metallic, foil, something in the middle. And yeah, it's just very sleek, you know. The little info and details at the side there at the bottom. It's real cute. And even the paper is different. It's like got stars all over it. I think it's because this is the basketball collab. I'm sure that's what they're called. Because yes. So I first saw this pair on ASOS and I was like, I need these, but they sold out pretty quickly. So I was glad that Nighttown had these, because it has the basketball metal, what are these? They're like pendants, like metal pendants on the laces, and I think that's such a nice finishing touch. And I love that they're mostly white with a hint of black in the tick, and the sole, not the sole, and the heel is pink. I just think these look cute. Like, they're very simple, but they're so fire, like, if that makes any sense. I just think the way they did the colorway just really pops. It even pops on the tongue. You can see the Nike logo there in pink, and then the tick is black, or should I say the swoosh is black with a white backdrop, and all of the Nike logo at the back of the heel is black, and it's just clean. This is such a clean look. Like, this is actually fire. And I got all these three in a size 8.5, because Nike don't stock 9 in women's in store. They only stock the 9 online. And we need to talk, Nike, we need to talk, because women's sizes don't stop at 8.5, so please have that in store. Like, women's sizes, they even stop at 9 if I want to be, you know, clear. But I think, like, I get that the whole, you know, 1/2 is to them, like, you know, a woman's size, period, but it's not. Okay, can we at least do 9.5? At least, come on, at the very least. Anywho, I love these, and even love the inside of the sole was pink as well, if you can see that. And I just think these are all around really nice, including the front. It's softer at the toe, so there's going to be no creasing, and that's something I was worried about, because with my Jordans, because they're like the same kind of material and style, they're beginning to crease a little bit, so I'm kind of shocked to wear them too often, and that's annoying because they're my fave. But this is a softer material, and it's round here, that's leather, so no creasing whatsoever, so I'm so happy about that. Like, I'm actually gassed. They did well. Last but not least, because I only have 4 pairs for you today, I'm so sorry. It's only because this pair set me back. Like, this pair was kind of expensive, but it was so worth it. Like, worth it. So she's already out of the box, but I'll show you the box and packaging it came in. So I was informed about a store called Dover Street Market, and I was like, what's that? Like, there's a market on Dover Street that I don't know about. But it's a store in Haymarket, and this is the bag that it came in. Really cute see-through bag. And I found out about it because I was looking for a pair of the Raf Simons Adidas collab. And you know the ones I'm talking about. I know you know. And if you follow me on Twitter, I know you know, because I definitely posted it. I was like, I need these. So I had to get them. This is the box. It's a little bit mash up, because it is. I don't know why. I wish they gave me a nicer box, but I guess that's all that was left, because the sizes are definitely going, because they're that cute. I love those boxes where it's separate from the lid, so I can always like rewrap this if I wanted to, and like cover it in something else, because I don't like that it's ripped. It's kind of annoying. But the shoes, these are the sneakers. If you guessed correctly, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, but you should have done that already by now. I am so obsessed with these sneakers. I am so obsessed. They are it. They're not even lit, they're it. Like, they are everything. I'm trying not to touch them because I've already worn them. Like, I had to wear them at the store. That's how gassed I was. I was like to the guy, there's no way that I'm leaving the store without these. There's no way. And I was right. Like, there's no way. They are super chunky. I love the heaviness of them, but they're light to walk in, if that makes sense. Like, they look heavy, but they're fairly light when you're walking. Like, I just love the design around the side. I love the metal, like the metallic-y, like reflective, like I can see myself in it. Hey boo, you looking cute with your no makeup on. How you doing? Like, I love these. I think that they're so unusual and so like show-stopping and eye-catching. And this pink color, what is me? Like, this is me. Like, literally, Even the outfit I wore when I went to buy them, the guy was like, you go with it so perfectly. I was like, it wasn't even deliberate. But I'm so obsessed with these. I got these in a size 9, UK 9, and for some reason it's a US 9.5, and I'm confused because normally I'm a US 11, but it says that it's a 43.5 or 43 1/3. That's so weird, and I'm normally a 43 or 44, so I thought these would be super tight. The right foot is slightly a bit close, but it's not crazy unbearable. And the left foot is fine. It depends which foot of yours is bigger than the other. And they didn't do half sizes. You can only get half sizes on Farfetch if you're from the UK. I think they also ship to the US as well though. And they're a little bit cheaper, but if you get a half size, it will be like $350. But the standard sizes are around £300 to £330. So that's why your girls only got 4 pairs for you today, because listen, I'm not rich yet. Soon come. Soon come. But yeah, if Nike London want to give me some more sneakers, I can give you another haul. Call me. That's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. It was kind of short and sweet. Make sure that you hit subscribe if you haven't already. There will be definitely more videos like this. I'm going to be showing you my entire sneaker collection soon, because there's some that you guys haven't seen, there's some that I haven't shown, purely because, you know, sometimes I'm busy, and it's things that I probably even bought as well, like way before I started YouTube. So if you want to see that, make sure you let me know below. Make sure you've commented, liked and subscribed. Also, make sure you watch my other sneaker haul if you haven't already. Make sure you watch my very last sneaker review when I was talking about my first pair of Jordans. Don't be shy. Like, I want to see you. Like, come back. Let's kiss, let's hug, let's get to know each other. And I'll see you in my next upload. Kisses.